Welcome back, guys. We're here with Jay Davis, attorney Jay Davis from James W. Davis and Associates in Macon for It's the Law. Jay, thanks for being here.
Great to be here, always.
The talk of the town on the news outlets is another Trump tweet that has people talking. Explain the tweet that he had about CNN.
Well, the most recent one, or the one that I think you're talking about, is the one where he's got this thing where he did with wrestling, and did all that. So instead, they put CNN over the face as if he's just pounding and beating CNN, which he feels like he's doing. You know, to some degree. I mean, there's a lot of things coming out where CNN has admitted wrongdoing and all that. So he's picked a good time to do it.
And now the question we have you here for is, could that be perceived as a threat? Is it a threat? Are there any poor legal things there that he did?
Yeah, there's a lot that can be done where it's like, what would the average person be? If you said something, you say, you know what, I'd kill you for that. You know, it's what would the average person take that to mean? Was that in jest? Was that something that was a serious threat? What was that? So in this case, you would look at that and say, was this some sort of threat? Most people would likely come on the side of this was some sort of humor, attempted humor to sort of like get in. Yeah, we've got a battle going on, and I'm taking you down for the moment. You know, CNN, of course, can come back with something else. So it just can go back and forth like that.
Another question that I thought about, and Democrats now in Congress are thinking about impeachment, unlikely, you know, anytime soon, but they're trying to get the ball rolling on that. Is this something that could?
This is not going to get to be anything. Not the tweets, the CNN thing, the battle over the press and all that, that's never going to be it. Now, if there had been something behind the Russian, now they pushed Russia for a long time.
Sure did.
So it's turned out that that's probably not anything to it. Of course, in October, Obama came in and said, look, Trump, you know, stop talking about Russia, you know, stop whining and move on about President running for election. All that happened. So if they find something, you better believe they're going to bring it out. I mean, they're bringing out things that aren't anything right now. So if they actually find something, they're going to probably, you know, attempt to commence impeachment proceedings, which right now the Republicans control the House. So the question is, even if they found something, would it be enough to bring the House to bring the impeachment proceedings to later turn it over to the Senate?
It seems like that's never going to go away, the chance of impeachment. We appreciate you coming in here.
If Democrats take over the House, it's going to be it's going to be a likelihood on any type of thing they'll probably bring impeachment proceedings.
Absolutely. Jay, we appreciate it.
It's great.
We want to hear your legal questions, guys. Email us at itsthelaw@41nbc.com.